Hey everyone, how's it going? In this quick video, I want to do a trade analysis slash review, going over kind of the trades that I took based on what kind of analysis, based on what kind of reasoning, and the review follow behind it. Okay, and I'll do these videos periodically, and hopefully you guys will tune in to see. So let's go. So a trade I took is pound Swiss. So let's look at pound Swiss on a higher time frame first. This is kind of how I do my analysis over and over again. So we see prices in this kind of big, larger structure on the higher time frame. Zooming out a little bit, we see this ray line I put in. This is how I mark kind of a triple bottom I see. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so price did hit this bottom third time in a row. Important to note, this is not a support I'm putting. It's simply a pattern that has a triple bottom. Okay, so zooming into the daily chart, we see a mass move to the downside from COVID, and price quickly retraced back up, bouncing off that kind of the triple bottom on the weekly and the structure on the daily. So price moved up and began to form a more compact correction. What I like about it is that price did manage to hit this bottom here, which is making a potential double bottom, and also bottom of this structure as well. So it's all very valid and all in my trading plan to take a buy from this area. And what I'm expecting is price to continue going up, hopefully to this top right here before any potential pullback. And if there is pullback, then you will obviously look into the lower time frame to see if the price will continue going lower. It's important to know even if the price goes too low to this point, this overall structure is still valid because price can still make this move up. This hence making this structure still a continuation pattern from this impulse. Okay, so going down to kind of the lower time frame to see how I managed to enter. So going to the lower time frame, going to the 4-hour chart, we see this overall structure that we see from the daily. And what's important is that price correctively hitting that double bottom on the daily, right? This is the first bottom, this is the second bottom. Even though price broke below this bottom, how it get to the bottom is the key how I'm looking for my trade. I'm seeing this price in this falling wedge, which is a reversal pattern. We see this correction within the larger correction, which is all valid for me to confirm that this reversal pattern is ready to go up. And if we go into the 1-hour chart, we do see this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Okay, so obviously it's a reversal pattern to go up, and price dip form a kind of a descending channel on the 1-hour. This is where I would usually enter, putting a stop like this. And price impulsively move up and then form again a complicated correction. And important to know here is the middle correction within this larger correction, making this kind of a flag structure very valid. So this is kind of where I also managed to enter a long position with the stop below the wick. And now I'm seeing the prices trickling up, forming correction, trickling up, correction, trickling up, correction. However, this is not very impulsive. This almost looked to me as very corrective. So understanding that, if we zoom out a little bit, understanding that this was the first impulse, this was a correction, I'm looking for the next impulse. If this move right here is not moving up impulsively, there's a very good chance that the price may toggle down for more correction to continue lower. Okay, making this kind of a longer structure like this. Uh, but we will have to wait and see. So this is where the patient game comes in and waiting for more confirmation from the market. Even if the price started trickling down like this, I already moved my stop loss up, right? For my first trade, I will usually put my stop loss above this structure right here. And this previous structure is at break even as well. So you manage to give the price a little bit of room to form a deeper correction if it's going to do that. Or if it starts dropping down, then it will take me out and I still manage to secure this much profit, which is in my trading plan, which is in my risk management plan as well. So there it is, guys. This is my kind of trade analysis and review on Pound Swiss. Like I said, I'll periodically do more of these setup and more of these reviews, and I'll post them on YouTube and other social media. So feel free to tune in and comment if you wish. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day.